Line M passes through the points k, 7 and 3, k negative 4 in the xy plane. If the slope of line M is 3, what is the value of k? Here we have 2 points through which the line M is passing. In that case, there is a formula to get the slope of the line. That is, the slope of the line equals to y2 negative y1 over x2 negative x1. So this is a formula we have to get the slope of a line when we know the 2 points to which a line is passing. Here we can take the first point k, 7 as x1, y1 and the second point over here as x2, y2. Already we have slope of line M. It's given in the question, that is 3. We can plug in this 3 for slope over here. And on the right side, we can plug in values for y2, y1, x2 and x1 from the 2 points given. The value of y2 is k negative 4 and the value of y1 is 7. Okay, and the value of x2 is 3, negative the value of x1 is k. Okay, 3 equals to k. When I combine these two values, I am getting negative 11 divided by 3 negative k. Now, let me multiply both sides of the equation by 3 negative k. Let me do it on the left side. Okay, here this 3 negative k will cancel out. On the left side, we can distribute this 3 to this 3 and negative k. When I do so, I'm getting 9 negative 3k equals to k negative 11. Let me add 3k to both sides of the equation and also add 11 to both sides of the equation. Then negative 1 positive 1 will cancel out. Negative 3k positive 3k will cancel out. On the left side, when I combine positive 9 and positive 11, I'm getting 20. On the right side, when I combine k and positive 3k, I'm getting 4k. So here, let me write the same equation, 20 equals to 4k. Our aim is to get the value of k. Now to solve for k in this equation, we have to divide both sides by 4. Then this 4 will cancel out. 20 divided by 4 is 5. On the right side, we have k. Here I got the value of k, that is 5.